सारा प्रणाम दोस्तों, आपका हमसफ़र इम्तियाज़ लीजिए एक बार फिर हाजिर है आपके खुशगवार पलों के साथ, आपका हमसफ़र बनने के लिए आपके अपने ही प्रोग्राम दैट्स एंटरटेनमेंट में। दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही चुलबुली, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कलाकार मौजूद है। कैटरीना, वेलकम।
Thank you.
खुशी बहुत है।
Yes. We meet very often, I think.
एग्जैक्टली।
Every few weeks.
होप्स ये बताएं कि काय की रेस है?
I think it's a race in what everyone these characters want to achieve out of life. What are they driven by in life? You know, everyone has a race to a particular destination. That destination is the same for all the characters in the movie, but what is their intention? What is driving them to that destination? That is different for everybody. Some people are being driven by greed. Some people are being driven by the want of money. Some people are being driven by the want of power, the want of popularity, the want of fame, the want of position. That what is behind them, that is what is different in every. Their ulterior motive is different for every character.
जब हम लोग वेलकम के लिए मिले थे, आपकी हिंदी बहुत प्यारी थी, आप हिंदी बहुत अच्छा बोल रही थी। अभी भी
Different moods for different people, for different movies, different moods for different movies.
रेस क्या इंग्लिश मूवी है?
Yeah, because the title's in English, no?
और वेलकम,
Yeah, good point.
आप किसके पीछे भाग रही हैं?
Well, see, I can't exactly give away the entire reason because it's a thriller movie. It's a mystery movie. So that I cannot entirely give. But let's stick to the first half of the movie. In the first half of the movie, my character is definitely running behind love. I think she wants affection. She wants to be noticed from her boss. She wants the attention of her boss, and that is what is driving her. You know, every day. The reason she gets up in the morning to go to the office, and she's Saif Ali Khan's personal assistant in the movie, and that's kind of her reason. You know, her introduction shot is kind of where he comes into the office and she's put a card on his desk because it's his birthday, and she's trying to see if he will notice it, but will he give a special reaction? Will he be touched, or will it just be like, okay, that's fine, and he tosses it aside? You know, so she feels very hurt. She's wanting his attention, she's wanting his affection, and that's not really happening. So she's having a few problems with that.
क्रश है आपको सैफ से, है ना? तो क्रश जो है कितना सक्सेसफुल होता है, ये आगे प्यार बनता नहीं बनता है?
That you have to see the movie for. That you'll have to see in the movie, and sometimes you get what you want, but at a price which is too dear. Sometimes you want something so much and you fight for it. You're willing to go to any lengths to get it. And you get what you want in the end. You've gotten what it is that you fought for, but the price you've paid for it and what it has cost you, that sometimes is too much for you to handle, and you realize that this was not for me in the first place. This is not what I should have been fighting for.
फर्स्ट क्रश याद है आपको अपना?
No. I was a very studious young lady. I was very into my school and my books, and I was only interested in having good grades, and I was a very, very unusual child. All I would want to do was organize things and clean things and read books and study Shakespeare. I was a very, very boring child.
इन सब चीज़ों से बहुत दूर थी आप।
Yeah, I think so.
वो मेंटेन है अभी भी कि चेंज हो गया?
No, I'm now is a bit different. Now I'm much less organized than I used to be. I'm a lot less studious, you would say. I don't read books anymore. I hardly get the time. I don't think I could read anything from Shakespeare. Before, that used to be my passion. I had a book about So Thick, and it is all the plays of Shakespeare, and I used to be very passionate about that, and I don't even think I could remember one now. So I think you change with times, but I had a very interesting childhood in that way. I think I was the first child to ever love school.
कैटरीना, आप जो हैं कश्मीर के, आपके फादर थे, मदर ब्रिटिश थी आपकी, तो घर का माहौल कैसा था? आपके अपब्रिंगिंग में हिंदी कुछ, उर्दू वगैरह कुछ चलती थी या सिर्फ इंग्लिश था?
See, I would love to discuss all this with you, and we could make a full show out of this, but let's try and stick to the film.
रेस? रेस में एक सॉन्ग है आपका और सैफ का एक अलग से पिक्चराइज किया गया है, वो कौन सॉन्ग है गोवा में?
the song which is coming now. This is a song called Sexy Lady. It was a last minute addition to the CD. If you go to find now, it was not on the old music CDs. It's now added as of next week from all the new music CDs. It is a fantastic song which we got at the last minute, and this song was scheduled to be shot in Goa. And we had a slight delay because of the monsoons. So at the time we were going to shoot the song, we did not manage at that time. So in between that time, we had found the song, and Saif and everyone said that this is a fantastic song. We have to shoot the song. And it went, the whole, everything came together at the right minute. Everything came together in the last, just the last possible time. And I think the whole feel of it is something which it's something which the film needed. It's really youthful. It's something which can be played in the clubs. It's a dance number that, the kids can dance to in the nightclubs. It's a very lively, upbeat song. And the point it comes at the movie is basically where Saif kind of accepts her love, and he says that, yes, I realize that you love me, and he accepts her love. So it's kind of like it's a very happy song. It's like a celebratory song.
Tune याद है?
No, not at all. I'm sure you have it on your music channel though. You can find it.
अच्छा कैट, ये बताएं कि आप जो है इसी फिल्म के लिए ड्रेस जो वहाँ दुबई से मंगाई गई थी आपके लिए?
That is in the song which is called Touch Me Touch Me. Zara Zara Touch Me Touch Me. That song it's a blue tassel dress. That song was that dress was, we were looking for something in that the movements are very fluid in that song. They don't start and stop. They are very continuous movements. So we wanted, Anaita was looking for a dress which would complement the movements and would flow with the dance movements. We found this dress from a designer called Jenny Packham, who's a very, very, very talented designer, very nice designer. And Anaita loved it, and she said this is a perfect dress for the song. So I think it worked out very nicely. It has a very 60s feel to it, and the song also has a certain amounts of jazz elements. If you hear the beats of the song, it's a little bit of R&B.
सेट पे माहौल कैसा होता था? काफ़ी लोग नज़र आ रहे हैं एक साथ आपके?
It was actually a surprisingly peaceful film. The entire shooting, the entire duration of the shooting was so well organized. Everything had gone off so smoothly. When I first heard the script, I said that this is going to be a very difficult film to shoot. You have about 3 major car sequences. You have lots of huge action sequences, cars blowing up and jumping off of buildings, and very difficult stunts. And I said that this is going to be very difficult to do and time consuming, and trying your patience. But the whole thing was so smoothly planned that I don't even know when the film started and when the film finished. It was just so smooth, the process.
आपका कैरेक्टर क्या है? क्या उसके क्या यूएसपी हम बोलेंगे, लोग जानना चाहें तो क्या है?
See, there's a twist in my character which it comes in the movie, but I cannot reveal what that is. But she is, as the title says, the tagline says, she is a woman with a lot of secrets. And sometimes, women with the wrong intentions can be the most dangerous. It's a movie that is obviously meant to be taken in a light note. You have women who have very, very bad intentions, some of them, and it's kind of like a tribute, if you like, to some, those kind of 60s thrillers where everyone is betraying each other, and every 20 minutes there's a new twist and turn in the tale. And it's one of those kind of, Hitchcock kind of thrillers where, you never know what's going to happen and what any person in the movie is capable of. And then you have one fantastic cop character who is larger than life and who is, got these fantastic nuances. So it's a very enjoyable film. It's a film made, I think, that a lot of the youth will enjoy. It's something that you can go with your family, but I feel that it's very strongly a film for the kind of college-going audiences.
बातें उठती हैं सेट पे थे तो बिपाशा से कहीं कुछ डिफरेंसेस थे ऐसा?
Sometimes these things they you don't know where they start from, but there's nothing like that. We're all professional actors. This is our job. You see, it's not our hobby, it's our job. And obviously, I don't think anyone is going to jeopardize their job by behaving in an unprofessional manner. So nothing that was like that. The entire, as I said, process was extremely peaceful, extremely pleasant. And I think a lot of credit also goes to Saif, because he made a lot of effort to make sure everyone was very comfortable. to make sure everyone was very happy on the set, and he was always making sure everyone felt included and part of the group.
पिछले हम आपको अगर देखें फिल्म तो नमस्ते लंदन हो गया, उसके बाद पे वेलकम है, पार्टनर है, सब फिल्में के बाद एक आपकी हिट आ रही हैं। रेस भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाइप लिए हुए है। अक्षय के साथ सारे बहुत सारी फिल्में, आगे सिंग इज किंग भी है, तो अक्षय के साथ बहुत अच्छी ट्यूनिंग है। कैसा लगता है उनके साथ काम करना या इन लोगों के साथ नया काम करना?
See, I have loved working with everyone new. Every time you work with someone new, you go on a set and it's a completely new experience. You don't know what to expect. At the same time, working with someone who you've done a few films with, like you said, you get a good tuning together. And he's a fantastic co-star. He's a fantastic person to work with. Saif is also someone who, honestly, when I see him and I interact with him in the day, like during the film, he's not a person he's a very easygoing person. So sometimes you don't really know exactly what to expect from him or what he's capable of, is what I'm trying to say. When you're doing a scene with him, there's so many times where I was so taken aback by his detail, the way he enacts his scenes is so detailed. He is one of the most subtle actors I think that we have. Very, very subtle expressions he gives, but probably in my opinion, I think he's probably one of the best actors. He's extremely talented. If you go to see what he does, he's a fantastic tuning in very, very realistic sense.
इन कई लोगों से आपने काम किया है, सलमान की क्या क्वालिटी, सलमान में कितने अलग हैं, कितना अलग हैं?
He is again a fantastic co-star. I've worked with him in Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya and partner also, even though I was not opposite him. I was actually opposite Govinda. And that was a very fun film to do. We have two such great comic actors, Govinda and Salman, working together, and I think everybody enjoyed that film. It just shows you that, sometimes when you get two people who work well together, it's, that tuning shows on screen. I think their comic timing just was perfect for each other, and both very spontaneous actors, very, very spontaneous. They can create a scene like just on the spot in 5 minutes.
कहीं पे थोड़ा इत्मीनान हो जाता है कि किसी की ट्यूनिंग बहुत अच्छी है, सलमान साहब की ट्यूनिंग बहुत अच्छी है, काम करना थोड़ा और इजी हो जाता है?
See, it depends. Everyone, I think, there's nobody in this industry, I think, who is unpleasant to work with, who comes on the set and who's mean and who doesn't want to do his shot. So I think everybody you basically work with. Luckily, we have an industry of very nice actors. People are very professional. I think everybody loves their work and everybody wants the end result, which is the movie, to be good. So everyone is going to put their best and be helpful and accommodating.
मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ तू सैया बन के नैया के ऊपर छैया छैया करे।
जी बताएं, डब आपने करी फिल्म की किसी और की?
No, this film I've done.
जी बताएं कि आपने तेलुगु भी करी है और साउथ की फिल्में भी करी हैं?
No, not now.
नहीं की हैं, लेकिन जब हिंदी ठीक से इतनी समझ में नहीं आती, वो कैसे समझ में आती है आपको?
I didn't understand a word. I didn't understand a word of what I said in the movie. But you have so many actors when you go to see in Hollywood and who do movies in Spanish, who do movies in French, and they don't understand that language either. And the Telugu movies which I did was some of the happiest times of my life. It really was. And everyone said, if you go there, you won't know anyone, you can't understand Telugu. The entire unit usually speaks in either Telugu or Tamil, which is very difficult. If you don't know it, you will not understand a word of it. And you're going to feel very, alone. And when I went there, both of the films I had done really was one of the most memorable, happy experiences of my life. I had a fantastic time in the South, and if time permits, in some time in the future, I would love to do another film there because I just had seriously some of the best times of my life there.
चलिए, रेस भी आ गई, रेस पे भी ऐसी होना चाहिए इंशाल्लाह। आपके चैनल वालों के लिए क्या बोलेंगे आप रेस को लेकर?
I think it's been a long time since there's been a really fantastic thriller film. I mean, I don't know if you can, but I cannot really remember the last thriller action film with a big star cast. And this is a film which has been kept very pacey. It's one of those kind of Fast and the Furious kind of films. If you go to see that, you go in, you've 2 hours, 15 minutes, you watch the film, you enjoy it thoroughly, and you come out. You discuss the film, you discuss how all the characters changed, how this person had this intention, this person was not. And it's one of those films that is thoroughly enjoyable. But at the same time, it's got a slightly different, entertainment value aspect than, say, like a comedy film or a romantic film. And it's been a long time a film has come like this, and I think that it's going to be a nice, welcome change for the audience.
फैसिनेशन क्या है आपका?
Fascination in the film. I don't know. I'm not sure.
चलिए दोस्तों, कैटरीना ने बोला कि एक बिल्कुल चेंज होगा आपके लिए आप जब देखने जाएंगे फिल्म रेस को। बहरहाल सामने खड़ी रेस, देखते हैं क्या है उसके अंदर, आप भी देखिए हम भी देखते हैं। कैटरीना, हमसे बात करने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you.
और यकीन हमको पूरा है कि आपको ये शो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा। अगले हफ्ते हम आपके लिए फिर एक बार बहुत ही खुशगवार कलाकार लेकर आएंगे आपके अपने ही प्रोग्राम दैट्स एंटरटेनमेंट में। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। सारा प्रणाम।